Good morning. My name is Esther. We want to show how to do Puffpuff. So I put my flour inside bucket. I've add my sugar. That is the ingredient to use and do the Puffpuff. I put my salt. I will add my cheese. Some people don't like putting onions, but me, I like to put onions, put a little small fresh pepper so that the thing goes scent very well. I'll put my fresh pepper inside. Puffpuff not take too much of ingredients, just your sugar and your flour and your cheese. You come put your onions, join small. Let the thing scent very well, you know. When you put them finish, you now turn them. Turn them very well, make the thing mix together. If you mix together, you know say the thing don't mix very well together. It's very simple to do. You carry your water. Put your water small, not too much, so that the thing no go dey too watering. I will put small water again, make the thing dey soft, it's small. When you dey mix am, you go carry your hand, dey do like this. Go do like this when you dey mix am. As you dey mix am, e dey different as you take mix your fish roll or your buns. You no go dey the same style. You go take mix am, mix Puffpuff. The Puffpuff you go dey carry am up, drag am up like this, so that the thing go draw. So I do am now. I be like say it's too thick. I go put small water again inside. Don't add no small water. You see they do am like that. To do am to take the thing go dey soft. You say you go know say the thing don't mix together. They're very simple to do. Puffpuff no get too much of protocol. Don't mix and finish as you see am so. I go cover am, I go keep am, cover and keep like 10 minutes. The thing go there, it go rise. If it rise, I go come fry am. Okay, welcome back. Now the pawpaw wey I wan fry, so I don't put my oil for fire. They turn them so that one side no go burn. So now they see the thing don dey brown. Yes, so now welcome back. As you can see, my puff is ready. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, SabiMakeAm. Thank you.
Make una no forget to subscribe